Hi, you have a Discord server, and want to make it more beautiful? One of them is Embed Messages. Today I will be showing you how to set up Embed Messages. We will not use any bot like Carl Bot or Me6 Bot, but we will only use Channel's webhook to send Embed Messages. By the way, don't forget to join my Discord server, and also make sure to subscribe my channel for more awesome contents. First, you will need to copy webhook. For this, select your channel for your embed message, where you will send the embed message. For example, I will select information. Right-click on the channel and click on Edit Channel. Now go to Integration. Click on Create New Webhook. Edit the webhook if you want. Click on Copy Webhook URL. Go to any browser and search Discahook, or you will find the link in the description. You will see this. The first one will your embed customization and the second will embed message live preview. In webhook URL, enter your webhook URL which you copied. Now, the content space will not your embed message, but it will about your embed message. The username, it will your bot message at the top as shown in the preview. Now it's time to set up your embed message. Click on Add Embed to create a new message. Click on Embed 1. You will see these options. Click on the body, enter the title and description which you want. You can also change the embed color from here. Now let's make our welcome embed message. Now it's time about images. There are two options with you. You can use your own banners, or you will need to download from Google if you want to put banners about your embed message. In images, it will ask about image URL. To get this you will need to copy your banner link from Discord. Right-click on the image and click on Copy Image URL and paste there. It should look like this. Now the last thing is to enter the footer text. After completing everything, scroll up and click on the Send button. Now check that channel to see if it's working or not. You can see guys it's working. Now if you find anything wrong in the message, don't worry, you can also change it now. Just copy the message ID and paste in the website. Paste the message ID in message link. Edit message where you want. You can see it's working. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.